Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Pisa and this is the baptistry. I'm going to take you inside. It's under construction, but I'll show you what I can show you. And it's really windy. Bye everybody. All right everybody, that is the baptistry and that's where we're going next. And it's really not that ornate or that nice inside. I don't think, if I remember right, it has a couple floors you go up and there's a couple statues and a couple other things, but it wasn't like it was crazy. I think the outside is much more ornate than the inside, but we're gonna see. I could be 100% wrong. Maybe since last year or something, or 3 years ago they changed it. But the buildings are just amazing. Wow. I mean, they're just, you know, the white against the green grass and the people standing on the posts and falling off. Yeah. Crazy. And I'm hoping there's not a huge line over here. All right, let me get inside and I'll start again. Bye everybody. Okay, so this is the inside. And you can see the walkway up there, but maybe it's closed because of construction, it looks like. Huh. Can you get to the top? Or... Great pillars, great columns, great arches. You can't see the dome because it's covered. And a lot of this is under construction. Crap. You know, they don't say, don't go here due to construction. I wonder if you can go around this way and climb. I guess not. And doesn't this have the... Yeah, it has the altar thing. And the lions, which are famous. Okay.
Infatti nel 400 sono mai.
Well, I guess that's it. Can you go up? It's closed. It's closed. Okay.